What is the opposite of love? The opposite of love is not hate. The opposite of love is fear. One who has love has no fear. The fear of doing good deeds is instilled in the child by the parents to make him a good man. Doing good deeds, righteous deeds are infilled within him since childhood. And when this man becomes an adult, and what we see in him as a good man is full of fears, which shows in every aspect of his life. He is possessive, he is obsessed, he has OCDs, he has rules at every stage in his life. He is full of fear. Where is the freedom? How can such a man who is full of fear deserve what is opposite of fear, which is love? The others are the one who do not want to follow the rules of the society. They are the rebels. One whom we see as a good man is full of fear, and the one whom we see as a rebel is because of the fear. Are the religions that we follow are based on fear or love? The entire concept of heaven and hell, doing good deeds to attain heaven and doing bad deeds to burn in hell, is it not the hell that instills or puts in fear into us? And when we see the religions that are born out of love, teach us devotion, teach us surrender, teach us more of giving with compassion. So there are religions which have given birth to fear, and there are religions in the world which has given birth to freedom, which has given birth to compassion and devotion. How do you get rid of fears? Once you understand that the origin of these fears are from the attachment of the mind and body, once you see your fears from a third party perspective, you understand the origin of these fears. And once you start to understand from where and from which thought and emotions these fears originates, the fears starts to dissolve. And once they completely dissolve, what remains behind is pure love.